Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to use Shutterstock Video Editor Toolkit Transition Presets with vsdc Video Editor. First, download the Shutterstock free Video Editor Toolkit from this link. Be sure you have good internet connection to download assets and good configuration laptop to run vsdc Video Editor smoothly. Next, open the vsdc Video Editor. Now for demonstration purpose I am adding 2 sample video clips in vsdc Editor. Now in the downloaded Shutterstock free Video Editor Toolkit find the transition folder, and I am going to use the third transition. Be sure the transition video track is the topmost layer. In the transition video, change the blend mode to overlay mode. Next, we need to balance color levels in the transition time period. Select the transition video clip. Next, go to More Tools, click Opacity. For this video I need to minimize the opacity to balance the color level.